Hello, everyone. Today, I'd like to introduce PMSoothe Kava97, an anti-irritation ingredient with globally pioneering AP inhibiting mechanism. Consumers are always complaining about serums stinging, cream hot, redness, and itching caused by peeling. Behind these reactions, the skin's nerves are actually sending warning signals. However, common anti-irritants only fix the receptor end of the problem, but the other signals continue to flow to the brain. PMSoothe Kava97 was created specifically to solve this key problem. With the AP inhibition mechanism, it not only reduces the skin's reception of irritants, but also directly blocks the main pathway for irritation signals to reach the brain. This brings instant relief, targeting 4 common skin sensitivity problems: burning, itching, stinging, and redness. In recent years, kava extract has become very popular in skincare products. Registration data shows that it has the fastest growth among similar anti-irritants. The registration number is 3 times of 4-tert-butyl cyclohexanol or citrus extract. Leading brands like Proya, Bloomage Biotech, Simpcare have long incorporated it into their star products. But higher demand brings challenges. The quality of kava extract on the market varies widely. Low active content results in poor effects. Batches are inconsistent. The water solution is unclear, unstable. For these problems, Plamed has launched the 3rd-generation PMSoothe Kava97 to provide the market with a truly user-friendly, stable, and effective kava extract. Let's see a few best-selling products on the market to get a better sense of Plamed Kava's applications. The Juyu Soothing Mask uses kava to quickly reduce redness and relieve pain. The Hapsode Serum contains kava if for oily and sensitive skin. The standout product is Singuladerm's Anti-Wrinkle Serum. Here, kava is not only an anti-irritant, but acts as a botulinum toxin-like booster. Combined with peptides, it reduces fine lines in just 7 days. We will introduce the surprising benefit later. Then there's the Awaken Seeds Anti-Itch Shampoo, which extends kava's use to scalp care, focusing on rapid itch relief. These cases cover 3 major product types: masks, serums, and hair care, and span multiple functions including soothing, anti-wrinkle, and anti-itch. Why is kava getting so popular? Why do brands need more calming raw materials? The answer is simple. Many people have sensitive skin. Look at these statistics. Many people around the world have sensitive skin. Moreover, factors like overskin care, chemical peels, medical aesthetics, and late nights are constantly creating new sensitive skin. Compared to mild issues like flaking or redness, moderate to bad symptoms, such as stinging, itching, and burning, are what truly ruin user feelings and stop repeat buys. If a product feels bad on skin, no matter how well it works, who would buy it again? Therefore, for brands, minimizing product irritation isn't optional. It's key to product reputation, brand image, and repeat orders. This is also the original motivation of our development of PMSoothe Kava97. Why do many people still feel uncomfortable even after using soothing products? Let's look at how skin senses irritation. Our skin contains a sensor system called TRPV, which consists of 6 different receptor types that detect various stimuli such as heat, acids, and mechanical pressure. Most common anti-irritants, such as the well-known 4-tert-butyl cyclohexanol, mainly work on TRPV1. While they can relieve a burning sensation to some extent, they have a limitation. They address only one of the 6 receptors. Think of it as enemies shooting arrows from 6 sides. If your shield only stops 1 arrow, the other 5 still hit you. Different sensitive skin troubles link to different TRPV receptors, so ingredients targeting just one spot cannot fix all sensitivity problems. Brands need a new way to cut off all irritation signals, and that's the starting point for the development of PMSoothe Kava97. Next, let's talk about the most significant technical breakthrough of PMSoothe Kava97, an original global finding we're very proud of at Plamed. As we said earlier, common anti-irritants only block signals at TRPV1. Other irritation signals still reach the brain. No matter which TRPV receptor turns on, all irritation signals turn into the same electric signal called AP. These signals move along nerves to your brain and create feelings of hot, sore, or itchy skin. A P is the main switch for all irritation signals and the only route to the brain. PMSoothe Kava97 hits pause on this main switch, stopping all discomfort signals before they reach the brain. That's its unique mechanism. Inhibiting AP. Claimed is the first globally to find kava extract soothes skin by blocking AP. This finding uncovers kava's real working principle and opens a new scientific path for sensitive skin care. To help everyone understand this more clearly, we make a flowchart for PMSoothe Kava97's dual path mechanism. Skin irritation happens in 3 steps. First, skin receives the stimulus. Second, stimulus is transmitted. Third, the nervous system perceives the stimulus. First protection. PMSoothe Kava97 inhibits the expression of TRPV1 protein, reduces skin's irritation sensors, and lowers skin sensitivity from the start. Second protection. It blocks AP signal transfer, stopping irritation signals before they reach the brain. It works in 2 ways, blocking signal reception and signal transfer to cover the whole irritation process. That's why users feel less burning and stinging right after using products with PMSoothe Kava97. The relief is real from blocked nerve signals, not just psychological placebo. A good mechanism is not enough. Effective implementation requires advanced technology. The core technology of PMSoothe Kava97 is SPEX, supercritical extraction plus supramolecular encapsulation. First, we extract kava at 55 degrees Celsius with supercritical CO2, 30 to 40 degrees Celsius, lower than regular solvent extraction. It keeps cavalactones highly active and 0 solvent left over for top safety. Supramolecular encapsulation makes cavalactones fully water-soluble and stable, thereby significantly expanding its range of applications. Supercritical extraction locks in active ingredients, while supramolecular encapsulation solves solubility and stability challenges. The perfect combination of these 2 core technologies makes PMSoothe Kava97 a high-efficiency and highly practical ingredient for skincare. PMSoothe Kava97 is backed by 2 patents, an invention patent protecting our core extraction process and a utility model patent protecting our specialized production equipment, ensuring a 2-pronged approach. In April 2026, the group standard cosmetic ingredient, Piper methysticum root extract, drafted by Plamed with the joint participation of Chickmax and Proya, was officially approved and released. This marks the first unified quality benchmark for kava raw materials in the beauty industry, ending the previous situation where different companies had their own standards. It establishes a comprehensive system of technical specifications for quality control and provides a foundation for the standardized development of the entire industry. PMSoothe Kava97 has undergone a comprehensive 3-generation upgrade. First, the active ingredient content has been enhanced, with Kavain levels exceeding 4,000 parts per million, a top concentration among water-soluble kava extracts. Second, rather than focusing solely on Kavain, we have scientifically formulated a synergistic blend of 6 cavalactones. This has doubled the product's anti-irritation efficacy, outperforming comparable ingredients on the market. Each upgrade addresses specific market needs. PMSoothe Kava97 truly delivers high bioactivity, high stability, excellent water solubility, and broad applicability. Stability is the lifeblood of cosmetic raw materials. What do brands fear most? They fear that the same raw material might perform well one batch but not the other batch. They fear that cloudiness after dissolution will affect the final product's appearance. They fear that sedimentation over time will lead to customer complaints. And they fear even more that sudden supply disruptions will delay production. PMSoothe Kava97 offers 4 key guarantees of stability. First, batch consistency and efficacy. We don't just test for Kavain, we've established strict internal control standards for all 6 cavalactones to ensure consistent results. Second, batch consistency in color and solubility. We rely on precise instrumental testing rather than visual inspection, ensuring complete control over color and the solution's clarity. Third, system stability. 1% water solution was left for 7 months at 4 degrees Celsius, room temperature, and 45 degrees Celsius under varying pH conditions, showing no discoloration, no precipitation, and no loss of activity, meeting standard shelf life requirements. Fourth, supply stability. We have signed long-term agreements with 2 major suppliers in Vanuatu, South Pacific, maintaining a constant production capacity of 2 tons, sufficient to support year-round production for most brands. Let's learn about the basic information of PMSoothe Kava97, the INCI name Piper methysticum root extract, hydroxypropyl cyclodextrin. Actives are Kavain, over 4,000 parts per million, yangonin, over 500 parts per million. It's in powder form, water-soluble. It is positioned as a multifunctional ingredient for sensitive skin. Anti-irritation is its core benefit, while it also offers added value in terms of repair and anti-wrinkle effects. Let's take a look at the data one by one. The innovative mechanism of PMSoothe Kava97 is action potential, AP, inhibition. But how effective is it? Take a look at these 2 curves. Compared to the control group, the experimental group with 0.45%, PMSoothe Kava97 shows 89% reduction in AP frequency. Next, in the TRPV1 inhibition test, PMSoothe Kava97 exhibited a TRPV1 inhibition rate of 35.64% at a concentration of 0.08% and 41.58% at a concentration of 0.25%. A comparison was made with 4-tert-butyl cyclohexanol, a mainstream anti-irritant on the market, and the results were close at the same concentrations. However, the key difference lies in the fact that 4-tert-butyl cyclohexanol is a single TRPV1 inhibitor, but PMSoothe Kava97 also has strong effect of AP inhibition, resulting in a naturally more comprehensive and broad-spectrum anti-irritation effect. Besides providing rapid relief at the neurological level, skin irritation usually brings inflammation, which PMSoothe Kava97 works well. Macrophages tests shows that it significantly inhibits various inflammatory factors. Meanwhile, biochemical tests show that PMSoothe Kava97 at concentrations of 0.5% and 1% also exhibits a significant inhibitory effect on 5-LOX, a key pro-inflammatory enzyme. Data at the cellular level is not enough. We also simulated various high irritation scenarios found in actual formulations. Chicken embryo tests confirmed that a 0.5% concentration reduces the moderate irritation of salicylic acid to mild and reduces the moderate irritation of vitamin A to none or mild. At a 1% concentration, it can directly reduce the moderate irritation of various surfactants to none. It can even effectively relieve the irritation caused by selenium sulfide in hair care products, making it ideal for formulations with high irritation risks, such as acid peels, deep cleansers, and scalp care products. We also conducted a more intuitive zebrafish test. When stimulated, zebrafish speed swimming. The shorter the distance they swim, the better the anti-irritation effect. The results were impressive. At a concentration of 0.25%, the nerve-soothing efficacy reached 97%. At a 0.25% concentration, PMSoothe Kava97 provides 86% soothing effect on glycolic acid and 95% soothing effect on lactic acid. This indicates that it effectively soothes common peeling ingredients. In terms of disinfectants, 0.25% concentration of PMSoothe Kava97 can alleviate irritation caused by benzalkonium chloride by 37%. In terms of preservative systems, 0.25% concentration of PMSoothe Kava97 has a 96% soothing effect on methyl 4-hydroxybenzoate. 1% concentration can reduce the irritation of phenoxyethanol or EHG to non-irritation. This means that whether developing exfoliating, anti-aging, or cleansing products, PMSoothe Kava97 can be used with confidence as a universal anti-irritation ingredient whenever there are concerns about irritating ingredients. Most convincing of all are the in vivo test by BV. 30 participants with sensitive skin used capsaicin to simulate facial sensitivity. After a single 30-minute application of the 2% PMSoothe Kava97 solution, 100% of participants reported relief from burning and stinging sensations. 93% experienced reduced itching, and 83% saw improvement in redness. At the same time, objective instrument measurements showed a significant reduction in both red zone and skin redness, a asterisk value. This is compelling evidence of PMSoothe Kava97's effectiveness against heat, itching, pain, and redness. To give you a clearer picture of PMSoothe Kava97's performance, we conducted a blind test comparing it against 3 other leading anti-irritants currently available on the market. The results showed that in the zebrafish model, PMSoothe Kava97 and a well-known German ingredient both ranked in the top tier. In human testing, PMSoothe Kava97 led across all 3 dimensions, relieving heat, itch, and pain, outperforming all competitors at the same dosage, while matching the German ingredient in terms of anti-redness efficacy. Most importantly, in chicken embryo tests, PMSoothe Kava97 reduced moderate irritation of a strong irritant to no irritation and was completely gentle itself, whereas the German ingredient, possibly due to its polyol content, actually caused irritation to the chicken embryos and showed no anti-irritation effect. Overall, PMSoothe Kava97 is either superior to or about same with major brands in terms of efficacy, while offering even greater mildness. You don't have to compromise between effectiveness and safety. Besides anti-irritation, PMSoothe Kava97 also offers 2 surprising benefits: skin repair and anti-wrinkle. This is our latest research. First, let's look at its repair effect. We completed comprehensive tests at cellular and body levels. Cell scratch assays showed that, at the same concentration, PMSoothe Kava97 achieved a cell migration rate of 54%, close repair efficacy with the classic repair ingredient Centella asiatica. Zebrafish tail repair tests give great results. At the same dose, PMSoothe Kava97 repairs 33% of damaged tail fins. Its repair effect matches 2 popular Centella extracts and beats 90% madecassoside. Would combining PMSoothe Kava97 with Centella asiatica extract produce a synergistic effect 1 + 1 greater than 2? We verified this with 3D human skin model, testing 3 groups of samples: PMSoothe Kava97, 90% madecassoside, and a combination of them. The results truly exceeded expectations. Epidermal live cell layer thickness. PMSoothe Kava97 increased it by 22%, madecassoside increased it by 15%, and the combination group saw a direct increase of 44.9%. Key barrier protein. Claudin 1, PMSoothe Kava97 increased it by 35%, madecassoside increased it by 26%, and the combination group increased it by 97%, nearly doubling the level. The CI values for all indicators were less than 1, confirming a synergistic effect. For brands, this means 2 significant commercial benefits. Adding PMSoothe Kava97 to existing madecassoside formulations significantly enhances repair efficacy, and partially replacing madecassoside with PMSoothe Kava97 reduces costs by approximately 45% while maintaining efficacy. Our new tests find another key advantage of PMSoothe Kava97: anti-wrinkle. Third-party lab Intertex human trials prove it. Users applying creams with PMSoothe Kava97 got lighter eye wrinkles in only 7 days, and results grew much better in 14 days. To learn how it smooths wrinkles, let's first look at how face lines develop. Expression lines are caused by skin folds resulting from repeated muscle contractions. This contraction process occurs in 3 stages. First, nerve signal reaches the neuromuscular junction, triggering an influx of calcium ions. These calcium ions act as a start signal, telling the muscle to contract. Next, synaptic vesicles release acetylcholine. The synaptic vesicle membrane fuses with the presynaptic membrane, while myosin provides the energy for muscle contraction, completing the entire contraction process.
The power of PMSoothe Kava97 lies in its ability to intervene at these three critical points along the entire pathway, comprehensively blocking excessive muscle contraction from start to finish. First, it reduces intracellular calcium levels in neurons at a concentration of 0.625%. Inhibition reaches 30%, weakening the contraction signal at its source. Second, it reduces VAMP2 protein levels by 19.57%. VAMT2 is essential for the fusion of synaptic vesicles with the cell membrane. With less VAMP2, the fusion process is hindered, and the efficiency of acetylcholine release decreases. Third, it inhibits myosin levels by 53%. Myosin acts as the engine of muscle contraction. With reduced myosin, contractile force decreases.
What's even more noteworthy is that it works synergistically with acetylhexapeptide 8 to reduce wrinkles. Here's a brief explanation. During the formation of expression lines, the snare complex plays a key role in the release of acetylcholine. It consists of three components: the VAMP on the synaptic vesicle membrane, SNAP25, and the synaptic fusion protein, syntaxin. Acetylhexapeptide 8 mimics SNAP25 to competitively inhibit snare complex formation, while PMSoothe Kava97 directly reduces VAMP production. By targeting different pathways, both ingredients work together to inhibit snare complex formation and reduce acetylcholine release. Neuronal cell experiments conducted by Intertech directly validated this finding. After simulating a state of neural excitation, the addition of 0.5% PMSoothe Kava97 resulted in an acetylcholine inhibition rate of 7.54%. Safety is always the top priority for cosmetic ingredient. That is why PMSoothe Kava97 has undergone multidimensional, multi-stage safety validation. We have also conducted a 90-day subchronic dermal toxicity study. We choose more costly and rigorous test method, which yielded a NOAEL value of 200 milligrams per kilogram body weight, ensuring it is safe for use. Finally, I'd like to introduce our company. PMSoothe was founded in 2013 with the vision, become the leader in high-efficiency anti-aging and anti-irritant cosmetic ingredients. Backed by 2 patents, we also spearheaded the development of the industry group standard titled Cosmetic Ingredient, Piper Methysticum Root Extract. If you're looking for an effective, stable, and safe anti-irritation ingredient, PMSoothe Kava97 is undoubtedly your best choice.